Okay, so right here, guys, we should be on our calculator because we have to do this in order to get to this activity. So it'll start, it'll ask you to open a document, save it or whatever. It's fine. So as soon as you log in, it should be getting you to this part. Shh. So if you cannot log in, it is a problem with the calculator. Okay? Yeah, it takes a minute to share. And then we're going to go to My Documents, number 2. And we should have geometry. First hour, it says translations. Okay? From here, you're going to open it up. And you're going to see this. Transformation translations is what we're starting with today. We're going to grab and drag triangles and explore translations. Okay? So, if you just click on the next tab at the top, that changes the pages. Okay? So that's what you'll need to click on. And it'll take you right here. Now, we need to read carefully through this. Pre-images, A to C is 5.83 units. A to B is 7.28 units. The perimeter of this triangle is 18.1 units. And the area is 14.5 units. Okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our cursor and put it over C. C should see how it's like an open circle, it's small. And then this hand should form and it gets bigger. You simply click down in the middle and hold it. And then we can drag it around. Okay, you got to click and hold. Okay. So, listen. Shh. Everybody's got a comment. I know. Listen. When I let go, it stays right there. If I look, this blue line kind of shows me how much I moved over. Notice that the lengths of my sides, the perimeter and area all stayed the same. Okay, so I'm kind of doing number 1 for you. The rest of it, you're going to go through and you're going to read and answer all of these questions on your sheet. So everybody should have this sheet in front of them. Geometry translation activity. You're just going through this and answering all of these questions. You have today in class to do it. So you need to work quickly through this. Okay? After this is done, we will do a homework assignment. Okay? So this homework assignment I am going to put up here. I'm going to go over the instructions, but then I'm going to leave it on the board. So when just that one right now. When you're done, you can look at this. We're talking about translating something. Translating means sliding it to the right, left, up, or down. Okay? So if I'm using T right here, see how it says 5 units to the right and 1 unit up? I know you don't have this sheet in front of you, but I'm explaining it and then I'm going to leave it up here for you, okay? But I want you to get the calculator activity done because this you can do at home. Calculator you can't. Okay? So I'm going to move 5 units to the right, 1 unit up. What that means is here's T. I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 unit up. Here's my image of T. And I write T and then put that little apostrophe next to it. Kind of talks about the image. And then I'm going to do the same thing with G. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 1. Please stop talking right now. That's the image of G. And then B, I'm going over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 1. And that's my new image of B. Okay? So, we can look at also it's going to help you on your quizzes and things if you write these down. So my original G, I'm just going to show you one of them, is over 1, 2, 3, -3, -1. And my image of G, and I will leave this up so you guys can write this down, is 2, 0. Okay? So you can just see both of those. And I'll zoom in. I don't want to do it while I'm recording, so sorry, people, that it's recording. But I'm afraid the camera is going to turn off. Okay. Any other questions about this? Do you want to go back to the calculator? Do you have questions about that? Okay, so here we are for the calculator activity. Do you guys have your paper in front of you? Okay, so number 1 says grab and drag the open circle. I just did that. It said move 7 units to the left and 2 units down. So you're going to drag C 7 units to the left, 2 units down, and then you're going to fill out the table. So you're going to fill out this table. Then you're going to answer these questions. Then you're going to turn it over. You're going to answer question 6. And then you're going to move to section 2.1, move to page 2.1 and answer these questions. Okay. Questions about how to move this around? Again, you've got to get that little hand over C, grab it, hold it. Then I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need to move 1 back. And down 2. There you go. That's going to be my image. And then remember, you just go up when you turn over your paper and go to the back. It might take a second, and there it is. It's going to tell you what to do there. You got to read all of the directions pretty carefully on this paper, but it's not bad if you're reading it. I've done this quite a few times. People that are like literally reading all the directions and don't just answer something do better. Okay? Any questions about anything specific that you're looking on this or the calculator? It is difficult to use at first, and I will walk around and help if you need it.